Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet to show you this certified pre-owned 2019 Mazda Mazda3 GT. This accident-free one-owner all-wheel drive sedan is powered by a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission that can get you just 7 to 9 liters per 100 kilometers on average. Looking in the trunk of the vehicle, you have lots of cargo space, as well as the release for your 60/40 split folding rear seats. Moving up to the interior, you have the BOSE premium sound system, power adjustable mirrors and windows. On the dash, you have your parking sensors, your trunk release, as well as your memory seat function. The steering wheel has your hands-free audio, adaptive cruise control, as well as paddle shifters for your 6-speed automatic. This vehicle currently has 50,231 kilometers. You have a large infotainment unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go, dual zone automatic climate control, heated steering wheel and heated front seats, lots of storage, as well as your gear select, your parking brake, infotainment controls, and radio controls. This car also has leather seats, and the driver's seat is power adjustable. For the back of the interior, you have a great view of the sun and moon roof. You also have a seat pocket in the back of the front passenger seat. And these are 60/40 split folding rear seats with a flip down cup holder in the center. If you would like to see this 2019 Mazda Mazda3 GT in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, where car buying is easier than you think.